Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off portrait mode on Snapchat in just a few simple steps. If you are looking for a way to disable portrait mode on the Snapchat app, I will show you a simple method. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To turn off portrait mode on Snapchat, first, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Check if the current camera mode is in portrait mode. Now, on the right side of the screen, you will see different icons. Tap on the down arrow from the right side of the screen. A new menu will appear with more options. Look for the focus icon. It is currently highlighted because portrait mode is enabled. To disable portrait mode, simply tap on the focus icon before taking the photo or video. Now that portrait mode is turned off, you can take your snap as normal.